Hello, classmates. I'm happy to present to you my business idea of Benwell that I used for our capstone course. My idea stems from the untapped potential of the wellness industry. There are a lot of emerging businesses and industries within the wellness realm that are kind of coming up and lacking exposure. We aim to bring that exposure to these businesses through a database. There is a need for a bridge between the prosperous businesses in the wellness industry that make, that are making these dramatic changes to the fitness industry, to spa and relaxation ideas and concepts. Benwell would offer a viable solution to that need by bringing together regional wellness businesses and establishing a database for them for the convenience of customers. The customers would be able to go in there and kind of match with the businesses that they foresee themselves enjoying. They would be able to make the reservation straight through the app, so they would not have to pivot and change slides or shift gears on their phone. Using a similar swiping feature to like dating sites such as Tinder and Bumble, they will be able to swipe on these experiences and make that reservation. The wellness industry. As I tapped on earlier, the wellness industry is booming. It's better than ever. It is actually estimated at over a $4.5 trillion industry. Now, it does encapsulate a lot of areas, as I mentioned. You got the spa and relaxation benefits. You also have fitness, and right now, mental health is becoming something that is more discussed, and people are taking advantage of those concepts and experiences as well. There are many growing industries and businesses that make up the wellness sector. As I discussed, these businesses are booming and experiencing heights that they have never seen before. So, it makes sense to jump in now before someone else makes a database that is similar to this idea. As I mentioned, there's more attention being paid to mental well-being, diet, and environmental effects. These all kind of tie in with our target demographic. We are planning to start in San Francisco. It's a very environmental conscious and well-being conscious area and demographic. They are also very tech friendly, and we look forward to starting there and seeing if we can spread our brand. For the service, we'll be using an application database. It will be an app that will be offered to the iOS and Android markets. The app will be free, so it is free to download. What we're doing is we're attaching local wellness businesses to consumers within the region. As I mentioned, we'll be starting in San Francisco. That is the initial launch. From there, we aim to open a new business every quarter in a different city around the United States. Cash flow that stems from advertising revenue will be our main source of revenue. Basically, that advertising revenue will be coming from partnering businesses that are looking to have product placement within our app. Our service is aimed to bring more exposure and more business to these customers, and to the businesses from these consumers. So we really aim to hit that mark. Our mission is to redefine wellness in the mind of consumers. So starting in San Francisco, we will be embarking on that and really trying to change the way these people view their wellness pursuit. The team. We're going to have a huge emphasis on our team, as we will be a small organization at first. We are aiming to be under 20 employees for the initial 5 years of startup. Our competitor companies have similar business models where they kept it pretty modest and meager as far as the staff goes for the first initial years. With an application that's reasonable, it's not like we have brick and mortar stores that we need to fill and employees that we need to fill across the country. It will be a very regional based thing, as we will be starting in San Francisco, same place of our launch. team, the hierarchy basically starts with the board of governors. You got the CEO, you have the business consultant, and you have the CFO. They are going to oversee a lot of the tasks of the mid-level management, which will be the account managers and the line managers. After them, you have the base level employees, and then our outsourcing, which will be with the IT and software development that we will basically aim to pay hourly and not keep on retainer. They will basically come and go as needed. Our marketing plan. Our marketing plan will consist of digital, print, and CRM tactics. Social media will be our big digital media focus. We will really focus on expanding our vehicles from day one of our launch, as far as which social media vehicles we use and develop a following on. We aim to use like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, really all the top competitors, Instagram, things of that nature, so we can really get our brand recognition out there across our regions and across the United States as a whole. We also, for our print ads, we will be doing college-ran newspaper ads. This is a way to really keep the price down as far as our print ads go. We look to basically use the same print ad throughout the entirety of the year and basically keep those campaigns pretty fairly simple. For email marketing campaigns, that'll be our main form of CRM tactics. We will definitely want to establish a relationship with our consumers and retain them. Retention will be something that we aim heavily on as we try to grow our app and really establish that brand recognition. Within that, we look to garner some word-of-mouth marketing. It's another great way for free organic advertising. So we hope that comes about with our digital and print investments. Our goal of all of our marketing is basically to build brand awareness and to gain downloads. Our finances. So our funding will be from the CEO and our friends and family loan. We look to turn a profit forecasted around year 3. Late year 3. We're estimating at 1 to 1.5 million in revenue after the first 3 years, so our cash flow will be coming in pretty steadily after once we get this launched. The wellness industry is expanding. Currently, it represents 5.3 of global output. That's growing, so it's something that definitely to keep our eyes on as we do try to partner with a lot of these different industries and businesses that fall under that scope. The option to go public and bring in more venture capitalists is something that we will consider down the line, and it's something I recommend that the CEO would really pay attention to. With the current effect of the global pandemic on gyms and traditional fitness methods, the organization aims to capitalize with a comprehensive approach to offering a broad range of different wellness opportunities. The organization could single-handedly change the way people pursue their wellness, their personal wellness. Be well and well. Here are my references, and I greatly thank you for taking the time to watch my presentation.